Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers, and you've been watching and you wondering, should I subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen or shouldn't I? Or I don't know how to subscribe. That's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that button. You are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. I would like to thank everybody for leaving the nice comments and everything, and I hope I've been answering them to the best of my knowledge, helping you out. I have a lot of videos out there and everything, cooking in the Power XL. Today, I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. Today, I will be frying some chicken breast wrapped with bacon. Now, I have a video out, catfish wrapped with bacon, so it was so good, I'm gonna try this chicken breast wrapped with bacon and see how it turned out and everything. You know I'll be using this Power XL. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this, I can't fry the chicken with this top on, so I'm just gonna lift this up for all the first time viewers that got a Power XL and don't know how to take this top off. That's all you do is one wiggle, lift up, and it's off. Just like that, I'm gonna put it to the side because I'm gonna be using this. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna set this temperature. My Power XL is clean. I'm gonna set this temperature. I'm gonna put it on fry. Put that on fry. As you see, it's fry. Set the fry. I'm gonna set the temperature for 375. Set it for 375. And today, I'm gonna go with 45 minutes. Set it for 45 minutes. And I'm gonna press start. You know it's gonna circulate and everything when that square come out. Don't get nervous for all you first time watchers. It's circulating, it's heating up the grease or whatever you putting in there when you see that circulating. So today I'm gonna be pouring this in before I get started with the rest of this stuff. So this could be getting nice, good, and hot. And pour this in there so it'll be nice and good. You can use any kind of oil you want to use. Today I will be using this Western oil right here to fry this in here, make this nice and good. You know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step too. Pour that in there, let that get nice and hot and everything. So you cover up everything. Gonna put this to the side. And today my ingredients is I'll be using about 1 pound of chicken breast. As you see, it's nice and clean and everything is thin. It's been sliced. And I'll be wrapping it with the Hormel original bacon. That's the original bacon. I'll be using that, and I'll be using a 1.5 cups of flour. You can use any kind of meal you want to use to fry it in. If you don't like flour, you can try it in cornmeal and everything. Also, with the ingredients, you can use what you want to use. Today, Mr. Belle will be using these ingredients today. I'll be using a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chicken powder, teaspoon of seasoned garlic seasoning, and a teaspoon black pepper, and a teaspoon of paprika. Yeah, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get started right in here. Get my pan ready and everything. And I'll just be laying some of this on top like this. Just put a little of this flour in this pan, so when I get to wrapping it, it'll be nice and good. Just turn that around, let that flour just come on out. All over, just like that. Put this to the side. And you know I like to mix up all my ingredients together, so I will be mixing up everything together and just sprinkle that right on it. Just like that. Put it right in that bowl. Like I say, you can use any kind of seasoning you want to use. You don't have to use as much as me. Most likely I'm not going to use all this, but I'm just making sure I have enough. And I'm just going to mix this up all together so it'll be nice and good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this nice piece right here. I'm going to start it off with this one. And I'm going to just start it just like that. Just sprinkle that all on it. Give me a nice piece of bacon over here. Yeah, I'm going to wrap this up nice and good. Get it just like that. And I'm going to just lay this out like that. And turn it over. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a little more and put on this side. So everything be nice and seasoning. And I'm going to take this piece and I'm just going to wrap it like that. Wrap it over. Just like that. Like that. And I'm going to just take a little of this and sprinkle on it. Just like that. Yeah, that's good. Then I'm going to take the other side and do it just like that. Lay a little bit on it. Then I'm going to get me another piece. I'm going to get my bacon, and I'm just going to lay it just like this. Lay it just like that. Give me a nice piece of chicken right here, the breast. And I'm going to just put this, wrap that in there like that. Just get a little sprinkle on there. So this seasoning will be nice in there. So when you take a bite, you're going to taste it. Put it like that. And then I'm going to put that one like that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it over. Put a little season on it. So it's all on the bacon. It's on everything. So this is going to be delicious. And you can put this on, you can put this on sandwich, make a sandwich. Put some lettuce and tomatoes on it. Or today I'm gonna have this with some rice and some greens. And this is gonna be delicious. Okay, I set it at 45 and everything. It's ready for me to add the food. So I'm gonna add these 3 pieces I have in here. And as you hear it, it's sizzling. That's what I wanna hear. Pick it up just like that. Put it in. Like that. Then I'm going to get this one. And put it in right on the side. Oh yeah. Meantime, while this is frying, I'm going to just roll up some more right quick. So it's frying nice and good. What I'm going to do is put it up closer so you can see before I flip it over and everything. So you can see the front side of it and the back side of it. So I'm going to flip it over. Yeah, you know Mr. Bell likes to take it step by step. This is the first flip over right here. See how good that coming out? That looks nice. See, that bacon is wrapped on there. Flip it over just like that. Flip it over, let it cook nice and good and everything. That is cooking good. Remember, while this is cooking, for my first time watchers, wash your dishes as you cook. Don't leave it for the spouse. Don't leave it for your kids. Don't leave it for your roommate. Don't leave it for your friends. They might say they're not hungry because they afraid they gotta wash dishes. If they know they don't have to wash the dishes, they're gonna enjoy every bit of it. So I'm gonna let that cook a little while longer. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a couple more pieces in there. I got it nice and good and wrapped. Put it in there just like that. Put it in there. I might be able to get one more in there. I'll try this little one while you're looking. Put it right in the middle part. Oh yeah, and let that cook. Just like that. That is cooking good. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna flip this over one more time, see how it's looking. It's looking good. Oh yeah, it's coming out good. Look at that. Coming out real nice. Let that get nice and crispy. Oh yes. Yes, that's looking good. I know it tastes good too. It's gonna be tasting good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of this out. That is cooked. Sit it right over here. See what other one I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna take this one out. That is cooked nice and good. And I'm gonna get this back one over here. Take this one out. And this bacon just gonna get grits all up on it. It's just gonna get hard and delicious and everything. So in the meantime, I'm gonna flip these two over. Put it right there. Flip this one over. And put it right here. In the meantime, I'm gonna put a couple more pieces in so this could be done. Get that another one and put in there right there. And this one. And this one. Put it right in there just like that. And I'm gonna just squeeze this little piece in there. And let that cook just like that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna flip this last batch over. You know, Mr. Bell like to take you step by step. Just flip it over just like that. Everything is looking good. Flip that over. Just like that. Everything's sticking together. Everything is together. Let that just cook. So I'm gonna take these pieces out. These right here are done. Let them sit over here and cool off. As you see, they looking nice and good. I'm gonna just flip these over. Just flip them over just like that. Let it cook maybe about 5 more minutes. Like that. Let it cook 5 more minutes. Take these out. So I'm gonna take these out. They look like they just about done. Put them over here, let the grease come off it some. Take this one out. Let the grease come off. Just bacon just get hauled up on it. Take this one out. Put it to the side. I'm gonna press cancel. And that's 8 minutes left, so I only use 37 minutes. And that's cooking with the Bells. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you haven't subscribed and you've been thinking about subscribing, should I subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen? Yes, you should. That's all you have to do is hit that button, ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Mr. Belle have a lot of videos on how to cook different kind of food and continue with more videos. I have a list I'm going down and I'm trying to get everything on that list, and thank you.